Greetings to all. This is Anahat Sriri from Carnegie University, and this is my 8th e-video for the Case Tools Lab. My register number is UR15CS250. So the topic for this experiment is deployment diagram, and the scenario which I've been given is exam registration system. So moving on to the deployment diagram. Deployment diagram is another type of implementation diagram. Like we have component diagram, which is for software implementation. Here, deployment diagram is for the implementation of the hardware components. That is, deployment diagram shows the location and the deployment. Deployment diagram can also be used early on the design phase to document the physical architecture of the system. That is, it shows the main physical system or the physical components of the system. The basic components of deployment diagram are a component, node, and the association. So component represented by the same way, like we have component in the component diagram, that's a rectangle having two rectangle in it. It may be a file, source file, program document, resource file, etc. Node is represented by a piece of 3D square, we can say, free rectangle. A node but it represents a piece of hardware of the system. It is represented by three-dimensional cube. Yeah, three-dimensional cube, and association is drawn like between two nodes or for communication purposes. That's a hard line, that's no dashes. So these are the basic components of the deployment diagram. So deployment diagram for the exam registration is like this. That is, we have a main system in which student has student application, and he types, and it goes to the main system, and main system sends this to admin, and it can print the hall ticket. Database system has all the entries and the things which are needed to show display to the student. And exam registration detail system, that is another part which will have the details of the full exam related to the student, or to total exam which are available in the system. So this was my deployment diagram. That is the 8th experiment for the Case Tools Lab. Thank you.